शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये. In the previous class, we discussed about the lesson number 2, that is a soldier's son. In that one, the pilot was got injured and he gave some packet of papers to the boy and asked him to help. So for that, what did the boy said? We'll see today. Yes, sir, said the boy with a smart salute. Yes, sir. The man could not help smiling, although he was grimacing with the pain of his injuries. He began to crawl away from the boy in the opposite direction. Here there is a new word called grimacing. Grimacing means showing a pain which makes the face unnaturally twisted. Means in the wounded pain, the pilot is twisted his face. Even though with the pain of his injuries, he began to crawl. Means crawling means like how the snake moves, no, like that that pilot was crawled away from the opposite direction from that boy. Means he need to change the mindset of the enemy, direction of the enemy. That's why he tried to keep that boy safe and he crawled towards the opposite direction. Next, what happened? The small figure streaked across the open space back to the trees from which it had emerged. The small figure streaked across the open space. There was one open space back of the trees there, which it had emerged. Means some trees are emerged over there. The enemy, however, had seen him. Somehow, the enemy had seen the pilot. A few of them gave a chase and shot at him. Suddenly, what they did? The enemies, few of them shot at him and chased that wounded person, wounded pilot. They chased. Chased means they ran behind him. The cartridges fell everywhere around him. They shot. If you shot bullet means here cartridges means bullets. The bullets fell over around him, around the pilot. Cartridges means new word. Cartridges means bullets. Okay, the bullets, some of bullets fell everywhere around him. They shot at some bullets, they fell around him. Next, the child ran fast and was lost to sight. Suddenly, the child was ran very fast. That boy was ran very fast. Means the enemy could not able to see him. Lost to sight means ಕಾಣಿಸದೇ ಇರೋದು, ಮರೆಯಾಗುವುದು. Lost to sight means ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ಆ ಎನಿಮಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. The enemy gave up and turned their attention to the crawling figure of the pilot. The enemy gave up, so they tried to follow that boy, but that boy was lost to sight means ಕಾಣಿಸದೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರು? gave up. ಅದನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಬಾಯ್ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವರು? turned their attention, our attention na ಆ ಒಂದು crawling figure of the pilot, ಏನ್ ಪೈಲಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಅಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ರು. A few minutes later, the little boy stood at the sentry post of the army unit. A few minutes later, sometimes later, the little boy stood at the sentry post of the army unit. He reached finally that army unit. Take me to the commander Sahib. There is something I have to deliver to him. The boy said that, please take me to the commander Sahib. There is something I have to deliver to him. I need to deliver something to him. So please send me to the near commander Sahib. The boy asked or requested. Little boy, you cannot go to the commander Sahib. No one is allowed to go to his room unless it is very important. Some army person said that, little boy, you cannot go to the commander sahib. You are little boy, so you cannot able to go inside near the commander sahib. No one is allowed to go there. The entry is restricted. No one is not allowed into the commander sahib room unless it is very important. When there is something important, then only we can see the that person to the commander sahib. Otherwise we won't send it. The army person said, what I have is very important. It is from the pilot whose plane was shot down. The boy replied, what I have is very important. What I have, what is I am having? No, it is very important means it is from the pilot. I came here from the pilot whose plane was shot down. The plane was shot down and the pilot was sent me here. You mean the plane that just crashed? You mean the plane that just crashed? A rescue party has gone to look for him. You mean just now one plane was crashed? You are telling about that plane? That army person asked. For that boy said, yes, I had gone there to bring him back to safety. Yes, I had gone there to bring him back to safety. The enemy was after him. He was injured and could not walk. He gave me a packet. I must guide the CO to the officer and show him where the enemy lines are. Yes, I had gone there. ಹೌದು, ಅದೇ ಪ್ಲೇನು ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಅದು ಶಾಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಅವರನ್ನ ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಕರೆತರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಟ್ಟರು ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆನೆ ಯಾರಿದ್ರು, ಎನಿಮೀಸ್ ಇದ್ರು, ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ that pilot gave me some packet of papers, so I need to give this to the CO, means commanding officer. I need to give this to the commanding officer. I must guide the CO to the officer. Show him where the enemy lines are. Show him where the enemy lines are. The sentry spoke into the field telephone. A sebo came to the sentry post and took the boy to the commander sahib. Then they informed to the some of the higher department that the sentry spoke into the field telephone. A sepoy came to the sentry post and took the boy to the commander sahib. Finally, they took him to the commander sahib. That commander sahib then asked that, who are you? Who are you? And why did you want to see me? The commanding officer asked. The commander sahib asked to that boy that, who are you? Why you want to see me? They asked. My name is Makbul Bhatt. Here, that boy gave the introduction. That boy introduced himself that my name is Makbul Bhatt. That boy name is Makbul Bhatt. My father was awarded a medal for bravery. My father is awarded for the medal for bravery. He died fighting for the nation. He died fighting for the nation. My mother and I live here now. I was watching the plane when I heard an anti-aircraft gunfire and saw the plane become unsteady. Means that boy was told about himself that my father was a very bravery person. He got the medal for his bravery and he was died in the fighting for the nation. While he was fighting for the nation, that time he died. Now myself and my mother is living here and I saw the plane crashed, so I went to keep the near the pilot. That time he told everything to that commanding officer. I saw him fall to the ground. I knew I must save him. He said that plane was very unsteady and that pilot was also very much injured. I knew that I can save him. Next, the enemy was just a little distance away. The enemy was just a little distance away. I ran to bring him back by shortcut. I ran him to back by shortcut. ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ನಾನು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕಾಪಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಎನಿಮೀಸ್ ಏನಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆನೆ ಇದ್ರು, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಏನದು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಕರೆತರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. I ran to bring him back by a shortcut. When I reached him, I found that he could not walk. So when I reached him, ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದೆ ಅವಾಗ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. He could not walk. He was bleeding profusely. Means that person he means the pilot was bleeding very much. He told me not to worry about him, but to try and get this packet to you and tell you that it must reach Ambala tonight. It is very important. And that boy said that that person was bleeding very much, and he told that not to worry about him. And he gave me some packet that, and he told me to give this to the Commander Sahib and tell that it should be reached tonight to Ambala. It must reach Ambala by tonight. It is the very important, and this message is very important. Next, the Commander Sahib said, "Son, were not you afraid of the enemy? Son, were not you afraid of the enemy?" Enemy means they were with a full of instruments, gun, and they look like a cruel. Enemy means cruel. So we were not afraid of that enemy. The commander officer asked to that boy. For that the boy said, "My father told me never to be afraid of the enemy. They can't do anything if our number is not written on the bullet." My father told me never to be afraid of the enemy. ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಯವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾವು ಎನಿಮಿಗೆ ಹೆದರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. They can't do anything if our number is not written on the bullet. Means ನಮ್ಮ ಎನಿಮಿಗಳು ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. If my number is not written on the bullet, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ನಂಬರು ಆ ಬುಲೆಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಹೆದರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಬರ್ದಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಾಂಟ್ ಡೂ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್, ನಮ್ಮ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರುವಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಯವರು ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದು ಆ ಬಾಯ್ ಹೇಳಿದ. ಗುಡ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಇಂಡೀಡ್ ದ ಬ್ರೇವ್ ಸನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಬ್ರೇವ್ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ಇಂಡೀಡ್ the brave son of a brave soldier. Has the enemy been able to catch the pilot? You are the brave soldier, son of the brave soldier. Next, has the enemy been able to catch the pilot? Next, again the commanding officer asked that boy that has the enemy catch the pilot? Turn the next page, page number 20. That boy said, "I don't know, sir. I could not wait to see. I had to carry out my orders first. I know where he fell. I also know where the enemy's lines are. I can guide you it by a shortcut so that you can intercept them and cut off their retreat. We must go at once, sir. The enemy came on foot. If you take jeeps, you will be able to surround them and catch them." Here, the boy said that, "Sir, I don't know whether the enemies have been catch that pilot or not. I don't know because I need to deliver the message first. I know where he fell, but I know where he fell, where the pilot fell down. I also know where the enemy lines, there must be enemy lines are over there. I know that. If you come with me means I will show you where is that place exactly with the shortcut routes. If you take the jeeps, I can show you the places so that you can catch the enemies and you can save the pilot." That boy is replied like this, showed his bravery. And still the lesson is there. We'll continue this lesson in the next class. Till then, you read this lesson and practice the new words. Okay, dear students, we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.